So guys, here's a quick disclaimer. Actually, I filmed this video like a month ago, but I forgot to edit it. So yeah, that's why I'm posting it today, and I hope that doesn't matter and this video will still help you. So yeah. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I am Divyanshi, and so for today's video I am going to tell you all about how can you make 2021 a better year, at least better than 2020, or you can say a gorgeous year actually. Yay, let's begin. Guys, it's a new year, but not the new me, because I don't get software updates. Of course, you cannot change yourself, you cannot change the way you do something, but you can definitely create one, right? You can create your own signature thing. VIP. Okay, so before jumping onto the stuff, I wanted to say not everyone is similar, like not everyone is same. Suppose for an example, I am a kind of person who writes things to remember, but there are a lot of people who literally reads it and they're like, okay, I'm done. So I be like, oh my god, how do they do that? Sometimes I even try, but then I think that's not my way. So I go with what I am. I go with the flow, not just trying to be others. Try to be yourself, okay? The very first thing which you have to do in 2021 is to create a new playlist for you. When you listen to a music you really like, dopamine is released into your brain. The effect of this is simple. You feel good. Brain scans have shown that this dopamine rush is at its peak when you reach the part of the song you love the most, or in the 15 seconds leading up to it. Please follow me on my Spotify account if you want to, and yes, you can make your playlist there and you can name it anything you want to. Mine is very simple. It is called Vibe, and I have kept all the songs that I love and that hypes me up. So yeah, that's great. So I found these on Pinterest and I thought that it will help you. So if you want to create a playlist, you can take inspiration from this, or you can just find and do some research and create your own. Moving on to the next thing, start reading books. Now, why to read books? If you all don't know, reading books reduces stress. Yes, if you are reading something that you're passionate about or something that you love, you will automatically feel less stressed, and that will make you happy. So, I would like to say start reading books. Now, what are the traits of it? Firstly, your vocabulary will improve. That's the biggest thing. Second, your imagination power will improve. Create a vision board. Guys, vision board is something that will really help you plan out what are your goals for the future thing. What is a vision board? Before telling you about make a vision board and all, I'm gonna tell you what is a vision board actually. So, alternative name, dream board. To be honest, creating a vision board makes me feel confident and organized. So this is how you can make a vision board for yourself. So for the very first thing, open Pinterest and then download the pictures you want your vision board to be, and then download it. For the next step, you need to open PicsArt and then import all your pictures and then arrange them in an organized manner, basically however you want it to be. Yes, basically this vision board represents my aesthetic and things I love. Yes. This is a very optional step which I did. I clicked on effects and then I select the brightness one because that's something I love. I love bright pictures, so that's why. And yeah, we are done. So this is how my vision board turned out. I love it. I love the vibe. I love everything. Yay. Start forcing yourself. I don't know how people manage to study without forcing themselves. Like, of course I know that's their way, but still, forcing yourself is one of the most important thing to do, because I guess 90% of us procrastinate a lot. So we should focus on the things which we have to do, we have to complete. So forcing yourself is not something like you are not listening to yourself. It's something that you are telling your heart that you have to do it, and then you will do it, okay? I have seen those quickerly videos in which they say make a plan, do blah blah blah, but I prefer saying understand what your way of studying and how you really want to do it. And create a new hobby. Can create a new hobby like embroidery, knitting, or maybe painting, cooking, and there are so many things you can do actually. You guys know what? I recently in lockdown developed my interest towards art and painting and stuff, and now I'm getting better at it day by day. Yeah. Let me tell you one thing. If you start creating your new hobby, when in future you might be, up to, you have to choose what you have to do in your life, you're choosing your aim thing, you will have a lot of things to pursue. Hobbies give you an opportunity to enhance your life. It allows you to de-stress yourself while remaining mentally productive. So here's a list of hobbies and I hope this will help you. Yeah. So the last one is working out. Guys, you might think that working out, what does that even mean? I'm not telling you to do a 2-hour or 3-hour workout. Just a 5 minutes is enough. Because actually my exams are going on, so the whole day what I do is studying and I only sit on my table and do the stuff. But don't forget that physical activities is also important. Last year we all were locked inside our houses and we couldn't go anywhere and all. But make sure this time you do something. Make a productive workout routine for yourself. You can go check out on Pinterest. Actually, there are some quick 5 minutes to 10 minutes workout thingy. This is one of the things I always think of doing, but I never do it. But this time, I am pretty sure I will do it. Yay. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up because I worked hard on this one and I tried my best to make it as much as interesting as I could. And of course guys, I know there are a lot of videos on YouTube similar to this, but I thought of doing something unique, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, let's see. Bye. Sending love and stop comparing yourself with others because you are perfect.